Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo guys, really quick video today to show you the best World of Tanks codes that you can use right now in 2025. These promo codes for World of Tanks are going to get you free gold. You can also get a free premium account, and it's also going to unlock all vehicles as well if you choose that code. So you can see, guys, the gold and stuff are really expensive in World of Tanks. So I spent a few hours this morning trying tons of different World of Tanks promo codes that you can use right now in 2025. And essentially, guys, I was doing what I'm doing here, and I searched high and low on the deepest, darkest parts of the internet, and yeah, I managed to find some World of Tanks codes that I think you're gonna simply love, guys. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm gonna run through these steps that you need to take to get your World of Tanks codes working in 2025. So you need to use a mobile. I'm using the mobile that I play World of Tanks on, so just do the same, I guess, and open up the internet browser and go to Robot Coupons, www.robotcoupons.com. So just type it exactly like this, guys, to go to Robot Coupons. Now, like I said, I spent hours searching the internet, and this is the best website I've found. They have promo codes for some of your favorite games, including, of course, World of Tanks. So I'm hitting the search bar at the top of the screen. I'm searching for World of Tanks, and I'm going to basically click on the one that pops up, World of Tanks codes. Here we go. So essentially, guys, you need to select the code that you want. You can get 50,000 free gold in World of Tanks. You can unlock all vehicles and styles, and you can also get a free premium account. So all of these are going to save you a bunch of money no matter which one you choose. These codes, as you can see flashing, are limited in number, and of course they are pretty valuable considering the price of gold and what have you. So when you select show code, you will need to unlock your personal World of Tanks promo code. In this case, it's going to supply you with 50,000 free gold, so this basically prevents people from stealing millions of gold. So tap on the unlock code. Now, I don't want to waste a code for this video, but you can see this is counting up to 100%. I'm going to cancel this. You're going to see a new page once that reaches 100%, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your World of Tanks code. It takes a few minutes. I personally had to complete a free survey. I also had to download a free mobile game. I just followed the instructions, and it did take me about 5 minutes, but it actually worked. So it unlocked my code, in this case for 50,000 free gold, and I redeemed it on the World of Tanks website or in the mobile app, and it basically supplied me with the gold. So these are the best promo codes for World of Tanks working in 2025. You just got to go to Robot Coupons, navigate your way to the World of Tanks codes page, and select the code you want. Make sure you fully unlock it. So like the video if you got your World of Tanks promo codes, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Enjoy. Peace out.